Hey guys, my name is Soju Beauty. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the ASOS 2024 Advent Calendar, which I'm so excited about, so let's get into it. I don't know completely what's in this one. I saw like a couple of spoilers, but I honestly cannot remember. I feel like I've bought so many that I don't remember what's what anymore. But this is how it looks. It's super cute. And when we open her up, I'm a little bit stressed because I can smell something in here. So I'm worried that something has leaked. So either that or there's like a candle or a perfume or something, I don't know. This is how it looks. It's so cute. So let's just get started. Oh, cute. It's got stuff written on it. So this one says, because you can never have too many MAC lippies. So I'm guessing this is a MAC lipstick. And look at that. It is. So this is the Luster Glass lipstick in Thanks It's MAC. How cute. This looks like it's a full size as well. The MAC packaging is so nice. Luster Glass, I haven't heard of that, so I don't know if that's like, it looks like it's got little shimmers or something through it. But anyway, that's the shade there. Looks really pretty, like a nice nudie shade. How sleek is that packaging? So cute. Day 2. This one says, does this count as one of your 5 a day? I think this is the thing that smells. Is it? No, it's not. So this is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Melon Jelly Dewy Primer. Dewy Long Lasting Primer. Cute. It's exciting. I have honestly never heard of the Beauty Crop until this year. I went to buy the Advent Calendar and it wasn't available in Australia. So, but yeah, I'm excited to try that out. This one says, here's the tea. It's pronounced boom boom. Okay. And what do you know? We've got a little, oh my god, cute. Okay, so we have 2 things from Sol de Janeiro. That's exciting. So the first thing we have is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Boom Boom Cream. Which is cute. I always love to get these because I just love the scent so much. But then we've also got something else which is exciting. The other thing we have is Boom Boom Body Firmeza Oil. Visibly firms and deep halves. Interesting. I've never tried this before, so that's really exciting. Oh, it's so good. You always forget, like, you know that, like, Sol de Janeiro smells nice, like the Boom Boom Cream. I feel like I like to call it Bum Bum, but now I'm feeling attacked by ASOS, so. But anyway, you always know it smells good, and then you smell it again, and you remember just how good it smells. It's so good. So that's really exciting that we got 2 products in there. I really wasn't expecting that. Day 4. A pillow spritzer for deeper Z's. I'm pretty sure this is the This Works. Yep, it is. This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. So I got a couple of these in the Advent calendars last year. Cade won't let me use them because he hates the smell of it. It smells like lavender. And I love lavender, but when I sprayed it, he was like, you are never spraying that again. I was like, so I'm a little bit sad. I really want to try it. That's how it looks. So it looks like a full size. Because I've got like a couple of sizes of these. Like I've got a little small one. So I don't know. But anyway, I wish he would let me use it. But I kind of get it. Like if he doesn't like lavender, I feel like that'd be really off-putting trying to go to sleep, you know. This one says, dead and dry skin big on. Oh, cute. This is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. It's exciting. It says, a gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to visibly eliminate dry and dead skin cells. Facial skin is left looking radiant and smooth, perfectly prepped for moisturising. I haven't tried anything from the Grown Alchemist. I got a hand cream last year in one of the Advent calendars, but I'm not a hand cream girl, so I passed it along. That looks nice. I'd like to try that. Okay, day 6. It says, perfect your pout with a high shine plumping gloss. Cute. This is from Iconic London. Lip plumping gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. I don't know if I've tried anything from Iconic London, to be honest. Okay. I don't know if it's my shade. I don't really like do well with these kind of orangey colours, which is upsetting because I'd really like to try this the lip plumping formula, but this looks like it's a full size as well. But yeah, these orangey shades just don't really sit well with my skin tone, but it's still like a nice product, so that's cool. Day 7. Philip Kingsley. This looks like it's a full size. Philip Kingsley Elastistyler. Multitasker for all hair types. 5-in-1 treatment. I feel like I've got a small one of these, like that I got last year. I don't think I've tried it yet. This looks like a full size. And I'm pretty sure Philip Kingsley is quite expensive, so that's exciting. So I might have to give that a go. Just says, starting with a large pea size amount. Work through mid-lengths and ends of towel-dried hair. Blow dry and style as usual. A small amount can be applied to dry styled hair. It says it strengthens, conditions, primes, tames and adds shine for perfectly manageable healthy hair. Cute. Day 8. This one's big too. Girl, this looks like a full size as well. This is a brand I've never heard of. I'm not going to be able to say that. But it's a styling cream, light and flexible. Styling cream coats the hair while forming and defining any desired hairstyle. Can't smell it. But that's like a big size as well. So ASOS are out here hitting us with the 4 sizes. Or at least the big sizes. Okay, so that was day 8. Until number 9. Okay, day 9 we've got a little Invisi bubble. Is there 1 in here or 3? It kind of looks like there's a few in there. I think there might be 3. Yeah, it is. Cute. I honestly don't think I've tried these out and I'm honestly not mad about it. Like, I am always on the hunt for hairbands and things like that, so I honestly don't care. I'm kind of excited about that, to be honest. Whatever it is that's leaked in here is making me feel like sick. It's so strong. Oh, I forgot to read out the description of this one. It says every updo's +1. And this one says, bye-bye fine lines and dark circles, bye-bye. I feel like I forgot to read out a couple of other ones, but... This is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. So it looks like just a little sample size of that. I don't think I've tried anything from Sunday Riley either, to be honest. But I think people seem to like the brand, so... 11 says, every day is spa day with this beaut. This is the LMS Superfood Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleep Cream. Apply to cleanse skin every night. That's all it says. So that's it there. I like the packaging. I think it's really cute. We're on to 12. This one says hydrated and glowing skin incoming. So this is the Glow Hub facial serum. Cute. I've never heard of Glow Hub before, I don't think. Or have I? I don't know. But this looks like nice. This looks like a full size. The Hydration Hero facial serum, hyaluronic acid and polyluminic acid. Apply 3 to 4 drops after cleansing before moisturizer. That sounds really nice. And I really like the packaging of that. I don't know, it just seems quite fun and like cute. I don't know. But anyway, we're halfway through the calendar now. Day 13 it says this blush has more views on TikTok than you do. Cute. We have a little Made by Mitchell blush in strawberry cream. I have tried these. I do like them. He comes out with some weird shades, but this one looks quite pretty actually. Strawberry cream. That is really cute. Can't tell if it smells like it. I don't think it does. It is quite a cute shade, isn't it? I really enjoy the packaging of this. Like, I just feel like it's so cute. Love it. Can't remember if I said, but it's from Made by Mitchell, so... 14. It says, who doesn't want a 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint? If this is another Benny tint. I feel like I've got 2 so far. Is this another one? Oh, no. Oh my god, I was wrong. Okay, sorry. It's a Milk from Milk Makeup. This is the Lip and Cheek Work Dusty Rose 2-in-1 cream blush and lip tint. This looks like quite a small, like, very small little sample. I mean, there's a fair amount of product in there, I guess. Yeah, it's in the shade Work. Don't know what I think of that. Like all of the product that you get in there. So like, it's not too bad. Like, it's enough to test it out and see if you want to commit to the full size. I've never tried anything from Milk either. And I really want to. I really want to try out the primer and the setting spray and stuff. Day 15. It says your skin will thank you. Trust us. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration with colloidal oatmeal. Safe for sensitive skin. This looks like a full size as well. Or at least a pretty big size. So that's exciting. I feel like I'm a bit worried about First Aid Beauty ever since I used the like bumper razor, but I do really think that was my own fault. The first product that I tried out from them was the KP bumper razor, and it says on the packaging it's like after you use this product, like avoid limit time in the sun and like use sunscreen. And then the next day I went and worked with my brother-in-law for like, I don't know, 10 hours or something outside in direct sunlight, and I got really, really bad sunburn and sunstroke. So it was like my own fault, but... Okay, 16. It says pigmented shades for major eyeshadow looks. Cute. This is a Revolution palette. It's called the True Icon. I actually really like this palette. It looks real pretty. Like the shades in that, are they like not really pretty shades? Like how nice does that look? What a pretty palette. I haven't tried anything from Makeup Revolution in a while. Day 17, it says taking mascara looks to the max. Cool, this looks like a full size. This is the Bare Minerals Maximalist Phyto Fiber Volumizing Mascara. That looks really cool. I'm excited to try that out. Bare Minerals is another brand that I haven't really tried much of. I feel like that's why I really like to do these as well, because it's fun to like try all these different brands that you wouldn't normally. 18, it says cleanse and preps the skin for extra hydration. Oh my god! It's the Ritual, it's from Rituals. It's the Ritual of Jing Relaxing Body Scrub, Salt and Magnesium. So, is this what smells? No. Here's a thing for you guys, right? One of my favourite body scrubs ever, I got last year in an advent calendar, and it was from Rituals, and I can't remember what it was called. It looked like this, but it was red. Oh, that smells so good. It smelled amazing, and like it was such a nice body scrub, but every time I used it in the shower it made my eyes sting. I think it was because of the oils and stuff, like when it mixed with like the steam it made my eyes sting so bad. But I loved it. But oh god, it was painful to use. But yeah, it was from Rituals, and I'm so excited to try this, even though it's probably going to burn my eyeballs. It was like one of the nicest body scrubs I'd ever used, but I don't know what they put in it. Anyway, day 19, it says your bedtime routine just got the neon treatment. I bet you this is what smells. It's a bloody neon candle. Is it? I don't know, maybe. This is the Bedtime Hero. I got this one last year as well. It's a really nice candle. It's chamomile, ylang ylang and cedarwood. I tell you what though, I remember when I first burnt it, it didn't smell at all. Like it takes a couple of burns before it starts smelling, which is annoying because they're quite expensive candles, I think. But yeah, I think this might be what I've been smelling the whole time. It just smells so strong. But I do like this candle, so. Day 20. It says shiny and nourished hair in just 10 minutes. This is the Beauty Works Pearl Nourishing Argan Oil Mask. I love a good argan oil product. Day 21 says apologies in advance for your longer showers. Oh cute. We've got the L'Occitane shower oil, the almond one. My mum really likes this. It smells so good. That looks there. Super cute. 22 says a triple dose of oats equals super nourished skin. Every time that I'm reading this, I'm trying to like guess what it is beforehand, but some of them I just have no idea. This is the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore for sensitive skin triple oat serum. It's got like a very faint scent. That looks really nice actually. Looks like super milky. I feel like it'd just be like such a nice big drink for your skin. 23. This calendar actually has 25 days, so that's exciting. This one says the influencer fave that brightens and smooths. Oh, it says Ren Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Cute. Second last day, day 24. This feels real heavy. Makeup, SPF and dirt aren't a match for this cult buy. Cute. This is the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm. I'm so excited to try this actually. I've heard good things about the Inky List. I've never tried it myself, but let's see what they are. I feel like this smells as well a little bit. Maybe not. Okay, on to our very last day. Day 25. Okay, it says calling all CT darlings, it's glow time. So I'm guessing I'm going to have a little Charlotte Tilbury moment. Oh, this is exciting because in the Revolve advent calendar I got a like the blush wand, and now I've got one of the highlight ones, so that's exciting. This is the Glowgasm Beauty Wand in Goldgasm. This looks, I think this is a full size, which is so exciting. Look at that. That looks so luxe. So that's how it looks there. Okay guys, let's talk about this calendar. Honestly, I feel like the ASOS calendar is such an underrated one. Let's have a quick look at like info. I remember last year it was so good as well. I really enjoyed it. So it's called the ASOS Face and Body 25-day advent calendar. It doesn't say how much it's like worth. It just says that it's a 76% saving. It costs $199 to buy, and you don't have to pay shipping. But I'm honestly just so impressed with this. I feel like it's such a great calendar. We got like quite a few full sizes, I feel like. So it says It contains 26 products, a mixture of travel and full size. There's 12 full size products, which I feel like is just so great. It says it's worth 403 euros. So you'd have to do a little, let's have a look. I think it's euros anyway. Is it a euro or is it a pound? No, I think it's a pound. Girl, what's the difference? I don't know what one it is. It's the one that kind of looks like a backwards E, kind of. Okay, I think it is a pound. So it reckons it's worth £403, I think, which means that equals to 782 Australian dollars, which is just like such great value. And yeah, it says it features products from Neom, Charlotte Tilbury, Rand, Sol de Janeiro, MAC, Beautyworks, LMS, Field, Kingsley, and more. But yeah, honestly, I thought that this was such a great calendar. I'm so impressed, and I'm genuinely so excited about some of the products in here. I feel like, you know, some advent calendars, they do feel a bit like a way to get rid of old stock, but I feel like this one has really exciting up and coming products, things that we've been excited about throughout the years. So yeah, I just feel like I'm really impressed with this one, and I'm so excited to try out some of the things that we got in here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.